Dobro jutro.
That's amazing.
The bottle.
Kokej, kaj not kapla.
So you guys are the first people outside the brewery to taste this beer. Bully was here.
Morning has broken. Dajmo pogledat, kdo tukaj spi. Namreč v Kaliforniji spimo 3, jaz tu zgori, 2 v spodi. Tukaj v Buliju imamo pa še enega junaka. Dobro jutro. Dela.
Ja.
Evo, natankali smo.
Just read all that. That's ingenious. That's amazing.
To moraš plačati, če hočeš filati. Ja, misliš, če dava funt noter, se kaj zgodi? Ajde, puni sad. Zrak, voda in bir Bulli. Pičimo v St. Peter's Brewery. Odlično, po mojem mnenju, najboljše britansko temno pivo imajo. In to so povedali tudi ljudje, ki so spomladi zbirali med 70 vrstami britanskega piva. In ta St. Peter's je, mislim, da že tudi na policah Mercatorjevih trgovin. Cheers in gremo pogledat na izvir vsega lepega.
There you
Thank you.
The business was started in 1996 by a guy called John Murphy. So that's to represent the Vikings coming over to attack. And then the golden key in the middle is the key to St. Peter's Gate. The bottle was created on a 1700 bottle from a innkeeper in Gibbstown, USA, Philadelphia. So they used to top the beers up and then just take the beers away with stop and top. And he found a bottle 30 odd years ago and liked the bottle and then created the St. Peter's bottle.
St. Peter's.
Yeah.
Who is Peter? Is it from
No, it's not.
religion?
No,
Is
no,
it
no,
some
no. It's
person? It's
just from this area.
just from this area. Okay.
So round here there's a full area called the Saints.
Saints.
So you've got St. John's, St. Peter's, St.
Saint whatever.
So it's all about the Saints. Okay, wherever you want to put it, there you go. Perfect.
Cheers. Bir Bulli was here. How's the beer?
It's very good.
Yes?
I really like it.
Okay, wonderful. There you go. Thank you.
Hvala za gostoljubje, vsi v pivovarni Svetka Penota. Naslednja točka je Cambridge. Dobro jutro. Pred nami je 4. dan. Ostali 3 še spijo, jaz sem pa tu če malo zaliman. Cheers. Dobro jutro, tipično britansko vreme, ne vem, kdo se je spomnil, važen, da je vlažen. Mi smo prespali tukaj kar pred pubom, kjer smo bili prejšnji večer in zdaj šibamo naprej. Na vrsti je druga pivovarna. Kjeri hudi brisalci? Kokej, kaj not kapla? Koliko papirčkov. Pazi to, kakšen Bulli. Evo, Robi dela, da bi odprli sam za nas tegale Brudoga, sam ne vem, če bo uspešen. Šarm ne deluje, šment. Zaprto. Prav becerk samih pubov. Prekmalu smo prišli. Vse se odpre šele ob 12, mi pa ob pol 12. Življenje res ni fair. Sonček, sonček! Hi!
I'm Brittany.
Anna.
But let's go. There is a bar, okay. We can go there. And Kirgabi. Kjer ga boste? Edison?
Ground below.
Roberto, kaj boš?
Jaz bom enega Napoleonovega kompleksa.
So you guys are the first people outside the brewery to taste this beer, and yeah, it's not even packaged yet, and it's straight from the tank fresh.
Kakšen vam je?
Odličen je.
S čim začnemo? You're the first one.
Nice one, thank you.
First impression?
Got a pleasant tartness. Yeah, it's really interesting.
Robi je zamenil firmo.
Ja, lej, te bolj plačajo.
Odlično.
Yeah, cheers.
Now say pivo. Great job.
Povej.
Bully was here. Spet polnamo, ali pa?
Moramo, se zdaj smo naredili kar nekaj.
Skožen tale.
Ja, balkami.
Nov večer, nov kemp, stari taborniki.
Mečkani mraz je, kdo gleda, koliko je temperatura? A imamo vsaj 10 stopinj?
Dokaz, da je res mraz.
Tele, pri Brightonu.
12.
12. Oh. Gremo spat.
Please drive slowly. Si jedle sir?
Ker lahko več legalno spijo in vozijo.
Na zdravje.